While I was on my little travel, I started thinking about a video for Cebuano because I met a lot of travelers, and most of these new people that I met along this journey of traveling, I find myself asking the same question to new people. Who are you? What's your name? What do you do? Right? So I thought, why not make a video about this? Why not make a video in Cebuano about introducing us to ourselves and to other people and what we do. Just basic introductions and stuff like that. Finding out who you are, right? Because you meet people, you want to know about them. All right, so in this one, I made this video just for kind of like that inspiration. Well, I guess not really an inspiration, but it's just a little idea that I just kind of thought it'd be interesting to make. And here we go. So, introduction, kinsata, right? Introduction. Who are we? Kinsata. Who are we? Right? Kumusta? Kinsa ka? You probably should know that already. I'm not gonna translate it. Most of this stuff I'm not gonna translate. I'm probably just gonna talk about it because if you're watching this video and you've been following me to this point, you probably know a lot already. So good. If this is your first video, yeah, man, tough luck. I'm gonna make you watch other videos now. So, kumusta? Kinsa ka, right? Unsa imong pangalan? Unsay pangalan nimo? Remember how case changes, right? Case can change. Ergativity changes. Okay? Ergativity changes. Sometimes the subject of a sentence can also become an object of a subject. Or wait, whatever. You gotta watch one of those ergativity videos. I forgot what it was. And it's late at night. This is my last video for tonight, so I'm sleepy. So, unsay imong pangalan? What is your name? Unsay pangalan nimo? What is your name? They both mean the same thing. Just look at how the word is changed. The wording is changed because of the case. Preposition, postposition, right? And it's the, what is it? Possession that's preposition and postposition, right? Notice too that unsay has the e affix to it, the e, because unsa is one of those words that take the e affix of ang, the irregular one. It still means the same thing, unsay, right? We're having our focus to your name. All right, and there are ways to answer this. There are ways to introduce yourself. Pardon the little phone because I'm doing this on my phone camera. It's because I'm a poor person. Can't afford a camera. Anyway, si Don Miguel ako, right? This is most commonly what I would like to hear is si Don Miguel ako. I am Don Miguel. Ako si Don Miguel is also acceptable. Ako si Don Miguel. Actually, this one is probably more modern now. A lot of people will probably say ako si Don Miguel after they say, who are you? Oh, I'm Don Miguel. But honestly, I'm old school and I like to keep things old school, so I tend to use this one. Si Don Miguel ako. Right? Instead of ako, which sounds better with a comma, ako, si Don Miguel. Because look, if you take ako out, you have si Don Miguel. Same here, si Don Miguel, ako. Right? Instead of saying ako, si Don Miguel. Why? It's just because if you put ako first, you're putting yourself as the focus. Ako, me, I'm the focus. It's not written in a verb subject object form now. Do you see it? This one, si Don Miguel ako, is written in the verb subject object word order, but this one is written in a subject verb object order. Subject ako, right? Versus here. So you can see why I prefer to have it as a VSO versus an SVO. Alright, the next one is Don Miguel ang pangalan ko. Don Miguel ang pangalan ko. Don Miguel is my name. Don Miguel ang pangalan ko. Ang pangalan ko kay Don Miguel. This also means the same thing. But notice, because word order changed this weird word kay, right? This weird word kay is now added to indicate that this word order was changed. So, ang pangalan ko kay Don Miguel. You can also say ang pangalan ko Don Miguel, but you'll have to have like a little comma there to say it, right? That's not the case if you have kay there. So, ang pangalan ko kay Don Miguel. Don Miguel ang pangalan ko sounds way much better. And this is what I would like to hear and prefer too. Don Miguel ang pangalan ko. Right? Look again, and it agrees. Because what case are we talking about? You can see the case. And the case is in the absolutive case. We have an absolutive marker, ang, and we have our absolutive pronoun, ko, right? Ko, short for ako. This bottom one is just something I'm not gonna talk about. I'm just gonna read it to you because I'm pretty sure you already know this and you should already know this. Alright, so it's just some more stuff for introduction. I'm not gonna translate it, I'm just gonna read it because I'm gonna leave you with the translation. So that bottom one is nakatrabaho ba ka o estudyante ka, right? Nakatrabaho ba ka o estudyante ka? And notice, ba is inputted there. Does it agree because there's a question? Yes, it agrees because we have ba, right? Notice the naka, right? Notice that too, naka with trabajo. What's this indicating? Okay, I'm just asking you these rhetorical questions so that way you can reflect on yourselves about, Next one is, unsay imong trabaho? Unsay imong eskwelahan? Right? Unsay imong trabaho or unsay imong eskwelahan? Notice for eskwela, you have the han ending. And the last one, asa imong trabaho? Asa imong universidad? Asa imong kolehiyo, right? Asa ang imong kolehiyo? Asa ang imong trabaho? Look at this word order too on that last one. Asa ang imong blank, right? Asa ang imong blank. It has the same order as this. Unsay imong blank, right? Unsay imong blank. If it has the same word order like that, you can also flip it around to have it as unsay pangalan nimo, unsay blank nimo. Asa blank nimo. Asa ang blank nimo, right? Oops, I forgot to say ang. Asa ang blank nimo. So you can invert it to unsay imong pangalan, unsay pangalan nimo. Asa imong trabaho, asang trabaho nimo. Just notice how the case on that is flexible. All right?